Hi, my name is Doug, your tech support representative for Atlantic British, and in this video we're going to introduce you to the air filter kit that we have for the LR3. This is with the 4.4 V8, and this is a service that's recommended to do every 30,000 miles. If you live in a dry and dusty area, it's something you want to do probably more often. The air filter obviously is filtering your intake air into your engine. You certainly don't want a buildup of dirt or debris in there. The restriction can actually affect your fuel economy and your performance. And what we have here is a downloadable and printable sheet right from our website that indicates the kit. Again, recommending every 30,000 miles. Our kit number is PHE000112, and with the kit you receive one element. And again, this is something you want to do on a regular basis. It can definitely affect both engine performance and fuel economy. Now we're going to show you how to install your air filter kit and keep you running good. Okay, so now that we've shown you the kit, we're going to take our air filter. We're going to show you how to install this. And again, this is one of the best maintenances you can do to your vehicle. Keeping a fresh filter in there will definitely keep your fuel economy and your engine performance up to snuff. Now, this is your air box. This is where your air filter is mounted. You have your mass airflow sensor. And what you're going to be doing is removing the 7 Phillips head screws that surround this box. You're going to squeeze this tab, give a little wiggle, and take your mass airflow sensor connector off. And then we're going to back off this clamp so we can take this cover off completely. Alright, so we have our screws out. We've loosened up our clamp and pop that loose. Just give a little twist and that pulls that out. There's a rubber ring right here inside this boot. So you just want to make sure that that hasn't folded over or popped out when you've removed the cover. So we've checked that. That's in good shape. Your air filter, simply grab the seal and pull up. Now this one really, by rights, isn't in too bad a shape. We replaced it recently. What you can see then that the case is how fast they can get dirty, and especially come late spring, everything starts to dry up. All the leaves and whatnot that have been lying there for the course of the winter get sucked up into these systems and end up plugging up the filters. So you can see we got a bit of build up there. We'll brush that off. We're going to save this filter and put it back in. When you put your filter back in, you do have a gasket built into it all the way around. So when you seat that in, you just want to make sure that that gasket is sitting properly all the way around. Just nice and flat, no folds, no bumps. Then we'll put our cover back on, insert into that intake tube, push it in until it's seated. And what you can do is you can actually see all your screw holes line up. Set that down, you'll feel it pop down into place. And now we're just going to tighten the screws back up and tighten up the clamp. Alright, so gasket fully seated, clamps tight, all 7 screws in and snugged in, mass airflow sensor plugged back in. You've now changed your air filter, you've made an improvement on your fuel economy, you've helped the performance of your vehicle. So when you're ready to change over the air filter in your LR3, just give a call to any of our knowledgeable salesmen at 1-800-533-2210. Thanks for watching.